Uh, Now we will visit this now again. This our plant here. You know, I want to tell you that one also the best technique in our garden just to put mulching. See, like this, you must to put mulching. Mulching is very important in our garden because this will covering the soil so that the soil will not easily to dry, mostly in hot season. And also this is also good for the some benefits bacteria there in the soil, because of this bacteria they are helping to decompose all some any dry or some cutting that we are put in the soil. And after that, this some grass is decomposed, then it will become fertilizer to our plants. And also this big help for now, because you know in the jungle, if you notice in the jungle area, there is so many trees there that their leaves is falling downside only, and nobody is removing. When you check the soil is coming black already. This means that is too much fertilizer. So if you notice that the trees there and many plants there, they are so good because of even there's nobody putting some fertilizer, but you see the growth of the some trees there is too much abundant because of the natural fertilizer. So if we will make same as to our garden, so we must to put mulch same like this. When you cut some grass, then put again in your garden like this, like this. If you cutting, then put again there, and then this grass will after 3 days or 4 days this will grow again, because you know that grass is very strong. It will easily to grow, unlike the some our vegetable. When you cutting, this is too much time before going to grow. See, our melon here is have fruits, and also there is a small there. Hopefully that will coming big. Every time I see the soil is bare from this like this some mulching I get from cider, and then I putting it like this. Also I put some, see that I put there also mulching. But this melon have a problem because this melon is too much exposing under the sun. That's why if you will check, you see the small flower, they're dry. It's not allowed to become big because of very hot. So see the melon here, because here you will notice that there is a pipe here. So the pipe is giving big help to these plants, because this little give covering for the shine of the sun. So see the flower is blooming, unlike there the flower not blooming, because even this flower is small, this early dry. So how can you harvest this there in that plants? Maybe maybe better these plants will be after this going long. I will bring in here is under the pipe so that his flower coming to big. Unlike here, see the melon here is too much flower, and also I see and I check there is a very little fruits here. See. See, he give fruits a little bit because alhamdulillah there is a cover. That's why this pipe giving big help here in for this melon. See there, the flowers very have difficulties to bloom because of hot. So this plant I will pointing here so that he will growing here in the side of the pipe. This will making, and then I will coming back again here. See, I put mulching here, and if you notice that the flower of this melon is good because there is a cover also like this net. That's why net also is a big help for these plants. Unlike there, this direct exposed to the sun, so flower cannot bloom. As of this mulching, that's why mulching is very important in our garden. Also you see, if you notice that plants, they're giving some dry leaves, and this dry leaves you can help the plant to have their own fertilizer by grinding this. See like, if I see this like this, I grinding like this with my hand so that this dry leaves very easy to decompose. And again I put there, see, yeah, like this. These dry leaves become a natural fertilizer. And also if your plants are no have a chemical fertilizer, it become organic. You know, in some area the organic fruits is too much price, unlike the fruits harvest from the inorganic plants, because you know, organic is is very healthy. Sometimes you will see that the inorganic is too much big, but the problem is you will not take some full nutrients coming from the vegetables because of the using of chemical fertilizer. Unlike here, that sometimes the fruit is not so big and not so good in looking, but you are sure that you can take more vitamins and minerals. And you know, even you thinking that come back this more years, maybe before 50 years, some people are, you see that they are even they are in their old age, their body is strong. Like my uncle, he died of 98 years old, but his eyes is so clear. Only he has some little problem I notice is his hearing. His hearing has become weak. But even the weak, he also hears. If you are louding your voice, he will hear you. But not totally this no hearing. Still hearing. And also his body is too much strong. Because you know, he is before living in the mountain area. That's why And also some food it is the one he's the one to plant and harvest. Also before they are not using this chemical. Also he said to me before that he don't like to use this chemical. He always use some because he has a horse dung or cow dung like this is he using only natural. That's why his body is very strong. And you know, up to 98 years old, he have no experience of bringing to hospital. That is the benefits of if we eating the natural, the organic vegetable or fruits. That is the benefits. Yeah, like this. If we cut some grass and put like this, then it will decay by the help of the bacteria there, the beneficial bacteria after will decompose it. So if you have a garden, because sometimes we are happy seeing our garden same like this, too much bare, no grass. We are happy. My garden is so good, clean, no grass. But if you notice that some plants need some mulching like this, even not so good in looking, but this too much benefits to our plants. That's why maybe more years if you are making like this, after coming you will no need to put fertilizer, because there is a natural fertilizer, because this grass is good like urea. You know, in our farming side, because of by using of this chemical fertilizer, so the soil become acidic, because you know, because some people also want to be take more money faster. So that's why they are using of chemical fertilizer. Maybe if you like to use chemical fertilizer, you must use also some natural fertilizer. You will mix. That's better. Not only using only chemical fertilizer, you must to mix by of natural fertilizer, so that even your soil become acidic. But if you add up natural fertilizer coming from the animal manure, and then this animal manure and also the bacteria will be curing your damaged soil. So that is the better. And also this mulching, also you are helping the soil, helping the beneficial bacteria, and also helping the plants also. There's too much benefits. So you must use mulching. You know, in other country, mostly in America and Europe, they are using of mulching. Every garden they're using garden. Mostly they are putting mulch. And also, if you will see that they're using of chop and drop. After chopping some grass or any trees that are not beneficial for the, or not giving fruits, they are cutting and then drop only. After you will notice this soil of them become thicker and thicker for this good soil. They are calling that good soil is the topsoil or the garden soil. Okay, this is the video for today. See you next video. Thank you for our viewer. Next time again.